Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Daily Intentions Oracle, Wisdom from Your Highest Self by Jackie Morgan, illustrated by Constanza Goeppinger. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. I do apologize if I am not. And this is published by Rockpool. Thank you so much to Rockpool for sending this deck my way. I am very excited to get into it. It retails for $24.95 in the US and $18.99 in the UK. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media links as well as other fun stuff. So let's get into it. It includes 36 cards and a guidebook. An oracle for daily guidance and intentions. This deck provides soulful guidance, daily practices, and mindfulness tools to help you tap into your inner wisdom. Be guided as you manifest your desires, apply self-compassion, and connect with your intuition. The deck consists of two suits: intention cards to provide an intention and practice for the day, and wisdom cards to share a guiding affirmation that will align with your soul's inner wisdom. All right. Pretty inside. Oh, there's the back or the bottom of the box. Okay. Ooh, cool. So before we get into the cards themselves, I want to take a peek at the guidebook to see if there's, any information that we need to know before going into this. We have color printing in here. Nice table of contents. So introduction, how to use the cards, and then we have the intention card and wisdom card section. Okay. So the intention cards provide a intention and a daily practice. They include a mantra, message, and ritual for you to work with. And the wisdom cards contain a guiding affirmation for you to align with your soul's inner wisdom. You may choose to keep the two parts of the deck separate to receive either an intention-based or a wisdom-based reading. You will receive the most beneficial guidance if you can manage to use the cards daily. All right, so daily intention, shuffle the deck. Take a moment to clear your mind. Okay, so before you use it, ask the deck, what intention will I most benefit from focusing on today? Pull at least one card. And then we have a 2-card reading. And the wisdom cards. Channeled messages are for your healing, guidance, and growth and can be read multiple times across the day. And then it goes into each card meaning. Okay, cool. We'll go further in depth with the guidebook after we flip through the cards here. Look at the back. That's fun. We got kind of like a day and night situation going on. And it is a matte, even though there's a slight gloss there. Cardstock, not too bad. Very flexible, but it snaps back. It's not on the thin side. It's like right in that sweet spot in the middle. And we do have a gold edging there. That's fun. All right. And so with all of the edging, as you can hear, you want to make sure that you are being gentle and taking your time when you pull them apart. You don't want to rip it. Okay. It might not show up on the video, so I'll read the title, which is up top. And then there's a blurb on the bottom, which looks like an affirmation. So if you want to pause to read it, you can, but I'm going to go in depth with a specific card once we get done with the flip through. So I'm not going to read the whole thing here, but this says unwavering faith. Forgiveness. They are numbered as well. Oh, I like that she has scissors in her hands there. Nice. Inspired action. Resilience. Rest. I like the art style. Very calming. As I say that, we have calm. Hand on the heart, hand on the belly. Creativity. Embrace uncertainty. Focus. A little post-it note says you can do it. Belonging. Aw. Receive. Revive. Metamorphosis. Hope. I love that. Little lantern guiding the way. Boundaries. Change. That's a cool image for that. Oh, that's really cool. Magnet. Speak your truth. Grounding. Wonder. I'm really enjoying this deck. It's definitely like a healing, self-care type of situation. Pause. Oh, I love that. Stopping and like really looking at the flowers, at the beauty around you. Celebration. Flow. Growth. Stillness. Persistent darkness. My ideal self. Inspiration. Limiting beliefs. Alignment. Witness the present. Divine intervention. Drop the clock. Bend like a river. Inner child. And vulnerability. All right, I'm going to shuffle all together. I know that there's two different little suits there, but I'm going to shuffle it all together so we can see how that works. Ooh, it feels good. Yeah, just flexible enough to where like you're not struggling to shuffle. All right, let's see how it, yeah, I like it. All right, let's get a card to read, please. Okay, we're going to read for flow, and I do want to pick one with the affirmation too, so we can look at them both. Okay, so flow is a wisdom card, and it says, I am in flow. I honor this time in my life when everything is effortlessly unfolding for my highest good. This time is sacred, and I take great pleasure in thanking the universe for the gifts being sent my way. I know I am taken care of, and the lessons I receive in my time on earth are in service of me and my growth. I channel this flow into projects, environments, situations, and relationships that make me feel inspired and alive. I am in flow now, and I work alongside a higher power that is guiding me to reach my fullest potential. Nice. Okay, and then we're going to look at hope. So this is what it looks like. That lantern. And it says, the beacon of hope shines brightly within me. And it has that at the top there. So This beautiful card to remind you, or this is a beautiful card to remind you to live with the unshakable faith that there is much to live for and to follow the light that shines within that tells you gently, it is all going to be okay. Hope will grant you the strength you need to go on when fear threatens to swallow you whole. Perhaps you've been feeling lost, lacking, or fearful and need a reminder of all that life has to offer. So let this card provide you with hope. There are no coincidences. Allow this card to be a beacon for you. Ritual. Sometimes being hopeful can feel scary, like you're setting yourself up for heartache if you long for something and it evades you. Your ritual is to open yourself up to feeling hopeful today. Give yourself time to imagine a future in which everything you're hoping for becomes a reality. Or imagine a scenario that makes you feel stressed or fearful unfolding perfectly for you. Be the beacon that illuminates your path forward and let hope fill your being. I really like this. I love the imagery. I love the way that this deck is to be used. I love that you can use it in multiple different ways. I love the gentleness of it. I feel like it's definitely a deck that you can use daily and should be used daily, hence the title. But it's also a great deck when you need a little pick-me-up, when you need to focus on the positive. Maybe you're needing to deal with some inner child work or some shadow work. This is a gentle way to do that. I definitely see value to this. Definitely a very inclusive feeling deck. Gentle, like it feels like a warm hug. I love the imagery, like something so simple, yet it evokes so much. I love that. So I now want to know what you guys think of this deck. Is this something that you've heard of before? Is this something that you're excited about? Is this something that you think you would use? What are your thoughts? I would love to know. And drop a little star to let me know that you've made it this far in the video. Thank you so much to Rockpool for sending this my way. I am very appreciative. I'm excited to get to know it a lot better and more personally. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.